Yeah, go. Do it.
Okay. No!
Yeah, do it.
No! I'm gonna look like no freaking idiot.
You won't look like an idiot.
Yeah,
I know people who've looked like bigger idiots.
I know. But I'm not gonna be one of them.
Do it.
No!
Do it. I won't ever talk to you on the phone.
Okay. Okay, y'all know that woman from 13 Gloves? And when Jack was trying to kill a girl? That's why she looked like.
Go sit down and watch the movie. Or go sit down at the table with Malik.
No!
Go.
No!
We have a problem.
You!
Get over there right now. No, get down. Oh my god.
You finished?
Yeah, I'm supposed to leave at 5:30, but I stayed a little late.
No! No!
Do it. Dude, he took my burger. Do it. Do some Dogtown lines. Do some Dogtown lines.
Wait, is this a video?
Yeah.
No. Dude, you just got body slapped. Is it like for
Dude, you took my burger. Do it now.
Dude, you took my burger.
Okay, that's